Manatee County has won 5 Fleet Masters awards. That's pretty incredible. Going, from obviously one fleet manager to another, same set of excellence, to winning the same awards. What does it mean to the county? What does it mean to you?
So it's really impressive that we've won this 5 times. It just shows the hard work and dedication that the staff puts into everything. And when we set the strategic mission of the division within our business plan, within our projections, it's really truly an honor as a public sector fleet receiving this award alongside of my private sector friends who also have the opportunity to do it. But it also shows to our board of county commissioners, our constituents, that we are a high performing fleet. We are performing at an ultra high level, thin costs. We're constantly looking for better ways to do things, networking with our friends, lots of discussions with other public fleets and private fleets. But it just shows again the hard work and dedication, winning it 5 times. I'd like to continue. I know there's one other fleet that's right behind us. I think at 3 or 4 maybe. We might see a number 6 within the next couple of years, but I know even to do that, we're gonna even have to step up the game even harder. So we'll see where it takes us.
Well, these are it's almost harder to win now because it's harder to do this job now. It's harder to run a fleet now with the prices, the availability, the supply chain problems. What would you say to an aspiring a young fleet manager? What kind of advice would you give to negotiate today's conditions?
So you have to be completely 100% engaged. You have to be absolutely passionate about asset management. You have to be connected not only to your fleet, but your team and also other industry standard experts and subject matter experts. If you're not going to be that successful. You also have to be connected with your vendors. We use the equipment triangle here. It works. We've used it to develop our high performing fleet. Myself as I used to be a young fleet manager, starting back in the fleet manager position back in 2018. Luckily, I inherited a very nice program from the prior fleet manager, but we've taken it to the next level and to the next step by engagement, employee engagement, and just working with everybody and making it a really dynamic environment.
And one more question. It's hard to get good help these days. What kinds of things are you doing to retain talent?
That's a great question. One thing that we found is very simple is just making people as comfortable as possible. So if that goes into t-shirts, fans, Gatorade, snacks, employee appreciation lunches, no matter how grouchy of a person or a technician that you have, if you put a nice barbecue lunch in front of them and thank them for everything that they're doing, they're going to be really appreciative. We're also very dynamic in our organization and push very hard to get the best pay we can for our technicians and staff. So again, staying connected and networking with other fleet managers and keeping yourself fresh and keeping your fleet fresh and staying in front of the constant changing environment is what you have to do to take care of your people.